Hey flawless skin gang, welcome back and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Selek Halio, and on this channel we do all kinds of skincare videos, skincare product reviews, and everything that has to do with improving your skin. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this very simple face cream. It is a cream that will help with hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, dark spots, and generally helps to moisturize your skin and help with minimizing sebum on your skin and give you a flawless, glowing, brighter complexion. Now, starting off, I'm going to be using this oil. This is called the squalene oil. Now, what this oil does is it reduces the appearance of fine lines, it moisturizes the skin, it softens the texture of your skin, it smooths the skin and prevents irritation, and it is non-comedogenic, so it is basically good for your skin. It controls oil. The list goes on. It can fade away dark spots, and it is also similar to your skin oil. We're also going to be using omega-3 fatty acid, and this oil is good for regulating the skin's oil production. It improves the balance, hydration of your skin, and it also helps to minimize signs of aging. We're also going to be using jojoba oil. You can also call it jojoba oil. And we're also going to be using some emulsifiers. Now, for those of us who have no idea what emulsifiers are substances or chemicals that are used to combine oil and water together. And we're going to be using cetyl alcohol as well, which is a thickener which helps to prevent the cream from separating into oil and water or oil and liquid. And then it also helps to thicken the product, which can help improve the product's spreadability and viscosity as well. We are also going to be using stearic acid, which is an emulsifier, an emollient, and a lubricant that can soften the skin and help to keep products from separating. So it is also a thickener. So here we have our oils and our emulsifiers and thickeners. We're going to put that in the double boiler and then go ahead to prepare our other phases, which is the water phase and others. So the first water phase ingredient that I'm going to add here is our glycerin. Now, glycerin is a humectant. It's a moisturizer, something you use to keep your skin hydrated. So basically what it does is it draws moisture from the atmosphere from within the skin and brings it to the surface of the skin, thereby making your skin look supple and, moisturized. And I'm going to use that to hydrate my hyaluronic acid. Now, in skincare formulation, hyaluronic acid helps to hold water onto the skin, and it also helps to hydrate the outer layer of the skin, thereby improving the skin's appearance. Now, when added to the surface of your skin, hyaluronic acid can help with wrinkles. It can help reduce redness on the face. It can help with keeping the skin looking young and smooth and youthful, and also it helps to firm the skin as well. Now, there are different forms of hyaluronic acid. There is a hyaluronic acid serum, there are creams, there are injectables, there are so many other kinds of products that you can make with hyaluronic acid. Now, in this product, I'm using this because it's a face cream, and we want this product to be able to eliminate fine lines and other signs of aging, and also help to keep the skin firm, smooth, and supple. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Now I'm just adding plain old water, but make sure when you add your water, you're using distilled water, or even if you want to use your tap water, make sure you boil it very, very well and filter it. And make sure you're not selling the products that you're going to be using tap water for. Just saying. So I'm going to go ahead now to mix the hyaluronic acid mix and glycerin with the water, just to have a smooth consistency. You see how the hyaluronic acid and glycerin mixes very, very well with the water. This way it's easier for you to work with. If you use just water straight with the hyaluronic acid, it will become clumpy. Now I know that there is kojic dip written on this container, but it's actually kojic acid. That was a mistake from my worker, but that's kojic acid. Now kojic acid is a lightening active or a skin toning active. Basically it works by preventing the production of tyrosine. Now in addition to kojic acid being a lightening active, it also acts as an antioxidant, and it also has some antimicrobial properties which can help fight off several common types of bacteria and strains and all of that. So another thing you have to know is kojic acid is very, very sensitive to heat, so make sure you are using it very, very carefully, so you don't end up spoiling your product. You don't end up having a product that is already oxidized before you even start using it. To prevent oxidation, you can use ferulic acid to your formula as well. So here is our oil phase. Our oil has melted. These are our waxes, and our oils have dissolved and melted to a point where we can now add our other oil phase actives, and I'm going to be using SepiWhite MSH. Now SepiWhite is a very unique whitening active. This works by keeping some certain skin cells in your body from making melanin. That's something in your body that makes its own leads to pigmentation. I don't know if I'm making sense. So basically it prevents the production of melanin in your body. Okay, SepiWhite works by blocking melanin and making those spots lighter and less visible in colors by the naked eye. So it basically helps with dark spots. So if you are looking for a product that you can, an ingredient that you can add to your anti dark spots cream or dark spot serum or oil, SepiWhite MSH is one of those kind of products. Now make sure when you're using your SepiWhite MSH, you are buying the original one that actually dissolves in oil. Okay, so here I have just added my oil into my water. I'm doing the oil in water kind of emulsion, where the water is holding the oil. So here I'll just plug in my blending stick and start mixing this together. Now to get a very stable product, to get a stable cream that will not oxidize quickly, that will not change in color, the viscosity remains the same, you want to make sure you are using a very strong blender, because what keeps the products or the water and the oil together is the strength of your blender. If you don't have a good blender, your water and oil will separate in the future, and you will find out that your water is below and your oil is on top of the water. It doesn't look nice at all. So here I am just forcing the creaming process. I don't want to keep the product and wait for it to cool down. So I put it in an ice bucket and I'm blending that. Now, this product will be available on my website. If you want to get this product for an even complexion, definitely go down using the link down below to my website. Look for porcelain face cream. Now, you can use this product with our porcelain body lotion, body milk, our porcelain face wash, body wash. Basically, you can get this with our porcelain range, like the full set, and it's going to be discounted for the first 2 days of this product being listed. Don't forget, it is a whitening product, and this product starts working on your body within 2 weeks. It doesn't mean you'll be white in 2 weeks. It starts showing that the process is starting, and this product gives you a permanent white complexion. Very clean, very smooth, Your knuckles will be gone. If you have dark knuckles, your dark knuckles will fade off. You will have a babyish, clean looking skin. And this product gives you a full result from 4 months and above. And you can use this product for as long as you want. You don't have any fear of it causing any issues on your body. You can use it, and then when you get to a complexion that you're comfortable with, you can now start using it every other day and just get a maintenance kit. But I assure you, you can keep using this product for years and years and you will have no issues. This product is natural, very, very natural, like 95% natural, and the 5% is just the processing of the ingredients that I use for this product. This product is 100% safe, effective, and gives you a permanent glowing complexion in 4 months. Here I'm going to mix in my other ingredient. I actually forgot to add this ingredient at the time when I was making my water phase, which is my niacinamide. So I'm going ahead to add those ingredients that I forgot to put together because I was really in a rush when I was doing this. And when I looked in my recipe book, I found that I omitted a few ingredients and I came back to add them. So this is my niacinamide. It is this color because I used this bowl, this beaker to mix my oil phase, remember. So that is why it has already mixed with the oil, so it's giving us this milky color. Otherwise it's supposed to be clear. All right. I also went ahead to add my collagen powder. Collagen is something that you already have in your body, but as you grow older, you tend to lose these things in your body, and you start seeing that you're wrinkling, your skin is sagging. So adding these ingredients to your skincare formula will help to regenerate your skin and give you a new, more youthful skin. This is actually collagen peptide. They are amino acids that make up certain proteins that are needed by the skin. It improves your skin's elasticity, it reduces wrinkles, it increases blood flow to the skin, it keeps your skin from sagging and gives you that plump, youthful look. I also used alpha arbutin, and alpha arbutin is a very good skin lightening active. Alpha arbutin helps to reduce melanin formation, improves the appearance of age spots, melasma, freckles, inflammation, pigment, and all of that. It is a very good dark spots corrector. So if you want to make a dark spot corrector cream, make sure you're adding alpha arbutin as well to your recipe. I'm also going to be using soy lecithin. If you don't want your cream to change to a brown complexion color, then you should actually skip soy lecithin completely. But if you don't really mind, like I don't really mind, you can go ahead to add it. Soy lecithin is a very good ingredient because it is close in resemblance to your skin. It acts as a natural humectant which helps to keep your skin hydrated. It also helps in the process of cell regeneration and renewal, which makes your skin healthy and beautiful. Okay, now you can also use titanium dioxide to make your cream brighter a bit if you still want to do that. Now this is our alpha arbutin that we mixed earlier. I'm just pouring that into it. Remember I told you these ingredients, I actually forgot to measure them out, so I just quickly added them back into my product. It is safe to add them at the cool down phase or after you have created your emulsion. Okay, so it's safe, it's fine. And we're also going to be using vitamin E, which is an antioxidant as well, and it also will help the oil phase of this product stay good. Now for fragrance, I'm using my Lang Lang essential oil, which is my signature scent. I really do not use fragrance oils for my products. I just use essential oils. that have good, nice fragrance. So I'm always gravitating towards Lang Lang essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice, or if you don't mind, you can go ahead to add fragrance. Now I'm using Jama Plus preservative, which is one of the most effective antimicrobial agents and is compatible with virtually all cosmetic ingredients. It is compatible with cationic, anionic, or non-ionic surfactants and emulsifiers, and it is ideal for water in oil and oil in water emulsion, creams and lotions, and so many other things. It is basically an all-in-one kind of preservative. So if you don't know what preservatives to use, definitely gravitate towards Jama Plus. Now here, finally, everything has been added. I'm just checking for the pH of my cream. Now you want to look for your pH to be within 5 to 6 on the pH scale. So here we have it. My cream is stable and okay to package. I'm going to be using this beautiful container to package this product. Now if you want to buy this product or any of our skincare products, simply use the link in the description bar to send me a WhatsApp message, or just go directly to our website to shop any of our skincare products. If you have a custom request, you can send me a WhatsApp message stating what kind of products you want, what are your skin issues, your skin type, and what you want the cream to do for you. Now I am very, very grateful to everyone who has patronized me, who has, you know, stayed with me through this journey. I am very, very grateful. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was beneficial to you. We also we're not taking any more group classes, but if you want to still take our class, we have our class programs that we can sell to you, and you can learn on your own pace and then revert to us to ask questions. We're always there to assist you as much as we can. And we also have our ebook, which is available for you to purchase and start learning if you are a beginner, and that will also help you a lot. If you want to go deeper and get a more advanced knowledge, then you can buy our training courses that we have, but we do not have any group. We're not doing any group trainings anymore. Now if you're asking questions or you're making inquiries, please just go straight to your point and ask us the questions you have. Don't just say hi or hello, because it just makes our reply very, very, you know, slow. Okay, this is how beautiful our product looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do take this time to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I put out a new video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section, and I will be very, very glad to come back and respond to your questions. I hope you guys enjoyed it though. I will see you next time in my next video. Okay, bye.